Good morning, students. This is Dr. Shirisha, Associate Professor from CSE Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this session, I am going to tell you about the pop-up boxes which we use in the client-side scripting, which is JavaScript. So, in this presentation, I would like to tell you about these three pop-up boxes, which are alert box and confirm box and prompt box. So, we used to see in many of the web pages where we will get so many alerts, okay, like we will get logged in successful or logged out successful, okay, something like you will get whether you have to allow the pop-ups, okay, whether you have to on your location, okay, allow it or block it. So, such things are nothing but these are all pop-up boxes. Using pop-up boxes, we will use these three: alert box, confirm box and prompt box. But actually, what are the differences between these three? Okay, we'll see. So, this is the alert box. So, what is this is? Only some messages will be displayed. So, what sort of messages if you wanted to display? So, then we'll use this alert box. Just it will give you display a message and one button, OK button, that's it, which we call it as alert. So, it is just alerting you with some message. Then we have a confirm box. So, confirm box is also one type of alert box, but here it is asking you to give you the input. Are you sure you want to delete this item? So, you have to either click OK if you want to delete it or cancel if you don't want to delete it. So, such type of question is you will get in the type of confirm box. So, confirm box is often used if you want a user to verify or accept something. So, if the user wanted to verify it or accept something, then we will go with this confirm box. Whereas in alert box, we are just displaying the message, that's it. When you confirm pop-ups, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed. Otherwise, that confirm box will be displayed as is. So, if the user clicks on OK, the box returns true. Okay. If the user clicks cancel, then box returns false. So, this is one confirm box. Then prompt box. So, prompting is where you will have a question and the user have to give some input. So, it is often used if you want the user to input a value from the user. So, before entering the page. When a prompt box pop-ups, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed. So, similar to your confirm box. But here you have to enter the input value, then only you have to click either OK or cancel once your name is given. So, the name should be displayed, then click OK, then your prompt box will go. So, if a user clicks OK, the box returns the input value. If the user click cancel, it returns null. So, in the confirm box, if the user clicks OK, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. But here it is returning the input value that you input here, otherwise it will return false. So, these are the three pop-up boxes we have in JavaScript, which is a client-side scripting language. So, this is a program where we have a alert box. So, we'll write a JavaScript inside the HTML because HTML here is acting for the presentation. This part is for presentation logic. And this is the logic you are writing for your backend. This is, you can write it as presentation logic and this is as background logic, you can say. Okay. So, here script, how you write a script using a script tag. So, script type is the attribute that we are giving. So, type is text or JavaScript. And here you are writing a if condition with a confirm box. Confirm, do you agree? And alert, you are using confirm box, you are using alert box, you are using prompt also. So, what does this confirm will do? So, it will ask you a question whether do you agree or not. So, if you are agreeing, you have to click OK. So, alert, you have agreed. You will get a message that you have agreed. Okay. Else what? If you are clicking on cancel here, then if you click this cancel, it will prompt you enter your name. Then again what you are doing, you are alerting it. So alert hi plus P. What is this P? P is nothing but your prompt. Whatever the name you are giving, so that is stored in P, and that P is displayed when in the alert box again. So here we are using all the 3 pop-up boxes in a program. So let us execute and show this. Let me execute this and show you. I am saving it with pop.html. Okay. Just execute it, like go to the location, take your program and just double click. So what is happening? Do you agree? What is do you agree here? It is a confirm box. So this do you agree, if you click OK, so it will tell you you have agreed. What is this you have agreed? It is an alert box. It is alerting you. If you click OK, then again refresh this. There are 2 possibilities because you are giving a confirm box. In confirm box, you can either return true, either return false. If it is true, it is displaying a prompt. Alert box, it's you have agreed. What if you are displaying cancel? So it is returning false there. That's a confirm box. So here what I need to do, just it is asking my name. So here you have to input something. Okay. Then it will give you hi and followed by the name. So here I didn't display anything. So it is returning what? Hi null. Okay. So this is what pop-up box. So there are 3 possibilities. This is a confirm box and this is the alert box and this is a prompt box. Okay. These are the 3 possibilities you can do. So in this session, just we have discussed about the pop-up boxes like prompt box, alert box and confirm box. I think you have understood this. Thank you.